In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your site to Cloudways. Let's get started by navigating to the Cloudways website. Once you have the site open, locate the login button in the upper right corner and click on it. This will bring you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to do so now by following the on-screen instructions. It's simple and you'll be guided through each step. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the Cloudways dashboard. This is the hub where you can manage all your applications and servers. From here, you'll want to find and click on My Applications. This will take you to a page that lists all your active applications hosted on Cloudways. Next, navigate to the section called Applications, where you can see detailed information about each app. Here, you'll find your access details. Go ahead and click on Access Details to view the options available. This is crucial as these settings will determine how you administer your application moving forward. Once you have the access details open, you'll see an option labeled Admin Panel. Click on that to open up the administrative functions for your application. You'll notice a menu along the side which includes all the tools you'll need to manage your site. One of the key components we're going to work with today is the plugins section. By installing the right plugin, we can make the migration process smooth and hassle-free. So within the admin panel, click on plugins in the side menu. You'll be directed to a page that lists all current plugins on your site. Our next step is to add a new one. Navigate to Add Plugin and click there to open a search bar. In this search bar, type in Cloudways WordPress Migrator. This plugin is specifically designed to aid in migrating your WordPress site to Cloudways with minimal effort. Wait a few moments as the list populates and then find the Cloudways WordPress Migrator from the list of results. Once you've located it, click on the plugin to reveal more options. Among these options, you'll see the Install button. Go ahead and click this to begin the installation process. The installation will take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's complete, you'll have a reliable tool that simplifies the transition of your site's data to the Cloudways platform. And there you have it. With this plugin in place, you're now well equipped to migrate your site to Cloudways efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy migrating.